Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be taking you through a small nursery tour. So this is the Association of People with Disabilities Nursery, or the APD Nursery in Jeevanbheema Nagar. And this nursery has exquisite and beautiful plants, and look at the way they have interspersed art with gardening. Absolutely stunning, with a lot of terracotta pots and beautiful landscapes. So you can see a lot of crotons here, the Heliconia, lobster claw, a Plumeria pudica, and the dusty miller taking center stage. The Thunbergia Mysurans is taking pride of place at the Welcome Arch. You must see this plant when it is blooming. Absolutely stunning, especially when it is on this Welcome Arch. So this plant nursery specializes more on ornamental varieties of plants. They also have a lot of fruit trees, they have ornamental trees. Everything available under the sun can be found in this particular nursery. However, today they do not have too many varieties because there is this Lal Bagh flower show that is happening, and most of their plants are there in display. So I love the concentric circles, the different landscapes that they have created to showcase and present these lovely plants. Due to the overcast sky and Bangalore receiving a lot of rain, I think a lot of plants are not really flowering because the summers have been quite short. The bird of paradise yet to flower, and look at this cacti variety, guys. Absolutely beautiful, exquisite, and out of this world. The crown of thorns. I love the way they have displayed their plants. It's so neat and clean, and it's absolutely no clutter but a lot of plants. So this is the succulent section, the echeveria, which they otherwise call the rose cacti as well. I love this center island where they have placed the plants in between. It's absolutely stunning. The spider lily varieties, a lot of plumeria plants, some hanging pots as well. Just look at the layout of this nursery. I have never seen such a beautifully laid nursery. Their bougainvillea section and a small landscape that they have for themselves. A lot of plumeria trees, canna lilies, and I must tell you that this nursery does not charge too much. It is quite nominal, so I would request you all to visit this particular nursery, and it is for a good cause as well because it is completely run by people with disabilities. The staff are really friendly, and the best part about this plant nursery is that they have labels for each and every plant, and I love going to this nursery because it is educational in a way for me. A lot of tree varieties, probably for the civic agencies. Lantanas. You can see the pothos, how big the leaves have grown. So this is the gooseberry plant, and you can see the gooseberries really plump and juicy. The Mexican grass growing under full shade. There are three varieties again. This is the Heliconia. It looks like the Heliconia lobster claw. And they have some really beautiful sculptures, like there's rabbit, there's the cycad, a poor woman looking or overlooking the garden. She must be the protector. Again, a lot of tree varieties, a lot of bog plants, plants that can do really well in water. A lot of ferns here, you can see the Staghorn Fern most probably. Correct me if I'm wrong by writing in the comment section. A lot of trees again. That is a Philodendron. A beautiful hedge plant intertwined with the Heliconia lobster claw. Absolutely tropical in its outlook. You can see the gold crest cypress taking pride of place in the middle of this beautiful landscape, adorned by a lot of palm varieties. Beautiful nursery, straight lines, no clutter, no drama, only beautiful, exquisite plants. They've used a lot of brick and mortar rather than concrete or any other kind of materials. So it gives a very distinct Indian character to this entire nursery. These are the roses, however, they're yet to bloom. That was a cat which was moving along with its prey. Beautiful gold crest cypresses, or the lemon cypress. A lot of mums or chrysanthemums. Guys, if you want any plant that you think you can't buy on Amazon or any other smaller nurseries, then definitely come to this place. This place has a lot of new varieties of plants. They also sell a lot of compost, they sell cocoa peat, they sell seeds, they sell neem oil, they sell pesticides, chemical or otherwise. So if you want it, you can definitely come and collect it here. So if you need a lot of plants and you're buying a lot of plants, then they also give you a trolley. That is it, folks. So thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like this video, then please subscribe.